it's Rachel here, the girl with the Pilates mat, and I'm back with you for another workout. What I thought to do today was I'm going to do one that's a little bit longer, because I know a lot of people have asked me for some longer workouts, so that's the plan for today. And it's going to be a mix of traditional Pilates and just a few little things that I like to do, which are based on my dance background, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start on our mats, and we are sitting up nice and tall with our knees bent. You're going to try and align the second toe with your ankles with your knees, and then your knees with your hip bones. Okay, so it should be fairly narrow. And you're going to put your hands underneath the thighs there, and we're going to lift all the way up through the spine, lifting up, thinking of reaching up through the top of the head. And you're going to take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, you're just going to gently draw the tummy muscles in, just flexing the lower back, so you can feel that little stretch there in the back. And then you're going to inhale to lift back up. You're going to exhale, drawing the abdominals in. Keep them pulling in as you tilt back. So you're trying to feel that little stretch here. And inhale to lift up. One more. Going to exhale, tilting. And inhale, lifting back up. Now what we're going to do is exhale to tilt. This time we're going to move back. So we're going a little bit further. We're going to release the hands. We're going to take a deep breath in. We're going to breathe out, draw the tummy muscles in. Coming up, we're going to gently flex over. So you feel that little stretch in the body. And then you're going to lift all the way up, sitting up nice and tall. And again, you're going to exhale, draw the tummy in, moving all the way back. Take a deep breath in there. Exhale, pull the tummy muscles in, flexing over. So you feel that nice stretch in the back. Lifting up, and one more. Here we go. Exhale, tilting under. Inhale, and exhale, coming all the way up and flexing over and lifting up. Now you're going to inhale, lifting the arms all the way up, so you feel that lovely stretch in the back, and then you're going to exhale, coming back. So you can do 3 of these. Inhale, exhale, pull the tummy muscles in, coming over the knees there, all the way over, and then we're going to lift up. Inhale, reaching those arms up towards the ceiling or the sky if you're outside. Exhale, coming back. Inhale there. Exhale, draw the tummy muscles in. And coming forward, nice little stretch. And last one, unraveling that spine. Inhale, reaching up nice and tall. And then you're going to exhale, coming all the way back. Good. Inhale. And exhale, coming forward into a nice little stretch over. And then you're going to lift all the way up, reaching up. And then bring those arms down to the side. So we're going to come and lie down now. All right, so you're going to lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet hip width apart. I have to say, it's lovely out here in the sunshine. It's beautiful. So arms down by your side, and then we're going to keep those knees bent. We're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to breathe out to tilt the pelvis towards you. Press into the feet and peel the hips up off the floor. And then you're going to inhale there. Exhale, think of relaxing here through your chest, so you can come down through the spine all the way down onto the mat. Wow, it's really bright. I'm going to close my eyes for a little while. Deep breath in. And exhale, tilting the pelvis, pushing into the feet and lifting all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, so relax through the chest, making your way down through your spine, all the way down until your pelvis is on the floor. And again, deep breath in, breathing out to tilt. Peeling that spine up, so think of pressing into your feet so you can feel your feet really grounding you. Inhale, and exhale. as you come back down. We're going to do 2 more. Deep breath in. Breathing out, tilting the pelvis. Rolling that spine up. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Coming all the way back down. And last one. Deep breath in. And breathing out to tilt. And roll that spine up. Inhale there. And exhale, coming all the way down through the spine and back onto the mat. So we're going to lift the arms up. We're going to turn the palms in towards each other. Just going to warm up your arms and shoulders. So you're going to breathe in to reach your fingertips up towards the ceiling or the sky, and then you're going to breathe out to draw them down. So you're going to inhale, reaching up, and exhale, drawing down. Inhale, reaching up as far as you can. And exhale, drawing down. Good. Inhale, reaching up. And exhale, down. Inhale, reaching up. And exhale, down. And one more time. Inhale, reaching up. And exhale, drawing down. You're going to inhale, opening your arms out to the sides. This is to feel a stretch in the chest. And exhale, bring them back up. So you're going to inhale to open. And exhale up. Inhale to open. And exhale up. Good. Inhale to open. And exhale up. Inhale to open. Exhale up. And last one, let's open out, taking the hands all the way down onto the floor. Just leave them there. Now imagine your arms and the back of your shoulders have been super glued to the floor. You're going to bring your right leg up, then your left leg up. You're going to have your knees and ankles together. And we're going to breathe in to take the knees over towards the right hand side. And we're going to breathe out to come back to the center. Other way, inhale as you go over. And exhale as you come back. Good. So it's an inhale over and exhale back. Good. Inhale over and exhale back. 2 more. Inhale over and exhale up and inhale over. Exhale up. Now you're going to reach your arms overhead. We're going to take a deep breath in. Excuse me, it's a fly on my face. And then we're going to inhale. Exhale, lifting all the way up. And as you lift, you're going to try and reach that chest high. We're going to reach those legs straight up. Yeah, and then you're going to inhale to come back down. So we're going to exhale to lift. And inhale to lower. Good. Exhale to lift. And inhale to lower. Now don't worry if you can't straighten your legs, just extend them as far as you're able. And back down. Good. Exhale to lift. And inhale lower. And exhale to lift. And inhale to lower. We're going to take both legs down. We're going to interlace the fingers and take the hands behind the head. We're going to lift the head and the chest up. So you're looking straight ahead at your thighs there. Okay, now we're going to try and keep ourselves in our neutral position, all right, not to move the bottom half at all. You're going to take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, you're going to rotate towards your right leg. And then you're going to inhale to come back to center. You're going to exhale to rotate to the left and back to center. Good. So it's exhale right and inhale center and exhale left and inhale center. You should really feel this one. Right. I know I do. And center, left and center. Last 2. And center. and left and center. Take a deep breath in, lifting up a little bit more, and exhale, coming all the way down. Now we're going to reach those arms overhead. So you're going to inhale to move the arms, lift the head, and exhale, you're going to lift up, and hold underneath those legs to bring yourself all the way up. You're going to reach your arms out. Good. And then we're going to take a deep breath in. We're going to exhale, drawing the tummy muscles in, this time going all the way down and reaching the arms overhead. So let's try that again. So it's an inhale to move your arms, head and chest, hands underneath the thighs. Exhale, pulling in on the tummy muscles to bring yourself up, and then lift up through the spine. Let's try that again. Exhale, scooping the tummy in, rolling all the way down, reaching the arms overhead but keeping your ribs down. Then you're going to inhale to move your arms, head and chest. Exhale, pulling in, assist yourself there by hands underneath the thighs, reaching out. Last one, deep breath in. Exhale, coming all the way down and reaching those arms overhead. Inhale, move the arms, head and chest. Exhale, coming all the way up. Okay, so we're going to turn onto your side now. And we are going to be down on one elbow. And we're going to try and reach the legs out. So you want your legs straight. And Ken, you want your top leg over the top like so. You just got to angle the foot there. You want to try and make sure that you've got your hips stacked, so one hip above the other. So make sure you're not rolling back like this or rolling forward. And then you're going to lift up here and lift up especially from under here, arm out. You're going to breathe in to press into the elbow, come on up. You're going to breathe out to go over. Inhale, back to that T position. And then exhale to lower. And then we're going to inhale, lifting up. And exhale over. Inhale back to that T position. And lower down. Going to take a deep breath in, lift. And over. And back. And down. I'm going to add a little twist to it. So you're going to lift up to your T position. Now you're going to take this top hand, reach it through, lift the hips, and try and rotate and reach towards your back thigh. Then you're going to twist back facing the front and lower back down. It's a little bit tricky, this one. So you're going to lift up, inhale. Exhale, twist, lift the hips, reach to that back thigh. Inhale. Coming back and lowering down. One more time. We're going to lift. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Back to that T position. And lower down. All right, so we try that the other way. So let's just turn around, do the other side. So lying down, you've got the elbow underneath the shoulder. You've got the legs extended, one on top of the other. Like so. You're going to draw the tummy in, you're going to check your hips are stacked, then you're going to breathe in, lifting up, breathe out as you go over, inhale back to that T position and lower down. Going to take a deep breath in to lift and breathe out to go over. Inhale to the T and lower down. Good, and again, deep breath in and over. And back to the T and lower down. Now let's add the twist. So you're going to inhale to lift. As you exhale, bring that hand down, lift your hips, reach to the back of the thigh. Then you're going to inhale, coming up and lowering down. And again, deep breath in, lift. Exhale, twist, reaching back. Inhale up and lower down. One more deep breath in. And exhale, twist. Inhale up and lowering down. All right, so let's go on to our fronts. We're going to do a little stretch of the thighs and the back now. So what you're going to do is you're going to reach around, holding onto your right foot, and reach around, hold on to the left foot. All right, so you've got to be a little bit careful with this, especially if you have any back pain. You need to take it very slowly. And what you're going to do is gently press your feet away. Hopefully you can see. So I press my feet away. I'm starting to stretch the thighs, but also lift the back. It gives you a good shoulder stretch as well. And then you're going to inhale to lower back down. So you're going to exhale, press the feet away, lifting up. And inhale to lower back down. And again, exhale, press away. Inhale to lower down. Feels really nice on the shoulders, this one. Exhale, press away. Inhale, lowering down. And one more, exhale, press away. And inhale to lower down. Let's release the feet. We're going to put the hands under the shoulders and we're going to push up into a kneeling position now. Nearly done. So we're going to finish with a little cat stretch. So I want you to think about lengthening out through the body, taking a deep breath in. You're going to breathe out, tuck the tailbone under, and let the head drop down. So we're in a nice rounded spine. Now we're going to go back the other way. So take a deep breath in. Breathe out, starting from the tailbone. You're going to uncurl that spine all the way through. And I want you to push into the hands so you get a little bit of extension on that spine. Hopefully you can see that the top of my spine is lifting slightly. You're going to do that again. Deep breath in. Breathe out, pull the tummy in, tuck the tailbone under, and let the head drop down. And you're going to inhale there. Exhale, going back in the other direction. So uncurling that spine, pushing into those hands so we're getting a nice extended spine. And one more deep breath in. Breathing out, tucking under. That's it, good. Inhale and exhale. Coming back the other way. And we're going to leave it there for today. So thank you very much for joining me. As you can see, it's really sunny. So sorry if I was squinting about the sun in my eyes. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If there's anything you'd like to see, do let me know. And please, if you can, share this with friends so we can get a few more people joining in with our workouts. Anyway, have a lovely day and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.